What's up, y'all? I'm looking crazy as hell. Anywhoosies, dealing with my snake plant. I gotta repot it. I lost 2 leaves. I thought I was getting root rot. Long story short, I guess it was just being dramatic. So now I gotta put it all back in the pot. Now that I'm really looking at it, I think I want to repot some of these separately to make more than one plant. I really think that was a lot to have in one pot. So we're just gonna get to separating and potting. Right now, I'm just getting all the lumps out of the dirt and kind of getting it soft so I can place the plants where they need to be. This snake plant was giving me the blues, to say the least. It was kind of tedious trying to repot it because it's so heavy, and then you have to balance it and pour the dirt in at the same time. It's just a lot going on. At this point, I'm running out of pots, so I have to stuff one of the smaller pieces of the snake plant into this little bitty pot right here, only temporarily until I can go to the store or either place an order for some more planters. Dang, you don't want to come out. I have done the best that I can do with this little guy, so we're going to pack some more dirt down to try to make it as secure as I can, and then we're definitely gonna get it another pot because this one isn't gonna cut it. Now I'm just gonna wipe the leaves off with a damp towel just to get some of the extra dirt off of the leaves and kind of give it its natural shine. I had to take a quick break, but now I'm back to finish the final piece of the snake plant and get it situated. In order to free up a bigger pot that I needed for the snake plant, we're going to take this little baby Toro plant out and place it in a size appropriate pot. Toro in a size appropriate pot and got it packed down tight, we can now put the snake plant in the bigger pot. Now I'm just filling up the bigger pot, putting some of the dirt back in there to a certain level, and then I'll make a little pocket hole to tuck the snake plant roots in, so that we can get it planted down. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.